So in the beginning, there was one. It was the essence of the unseen that was in and through everything, but it needed to experience itself. So it divided itself into two. I just moved into the bet. The bet was for the representation of family. But it needed to go and travel about, Gimel, on foot to experience.
Wow.
To be able to gather the waters of instruction that was going to raise it up. Because it had to go through a door, realizing that in its division, it became weak, it became feeble. Something became disconnected that made it ill. So it had to find out how to deliver itself. So it had to go seek revelation.
Something just rippled right.
Good.
Right.
Good.
It rippled. Whoa.
So in seeking revelation, when it was revealed on this journey, I just needed to connect to it. I need to connect to it. But in the process of it, it's going to pierce me. But through this process, I'm getting fed. I'm getting nourished. I'm cutting off things that don't serve me. I'm plowing up stuff that's fallow on the inside. Mm-hmm. Because I was separated. I became separated from that Aleph. There was a fence that was separated me. It divided me. But, and it doesn't say it on there, this is how I find life. Because that's the hidden side of that letter, by the way. That's new beginnings.
Yeah.
So in the process of finding life, I find myself in a basket. I'm surrounded. I'm cramped. I'm wrestling with the snake. I'm going round and round and round and round with my reptilian nature until a vision comes, until power is given to me. And why is power given to me? Because I stop wrestling. I face what I'm wrestling instead of walking around in the basket, just going round and round and round in circles in a basket. A vision is given to me. A hand is reaching out to me to say, here you go. Here's the power, means, and direction that you need. But then I have to take my hand and I have to grasp a hold of it because there's something that is being said to me that's bringing me revelation. And in the process of the giving and the receiving, this revelation that is leading me back into oneness unity, the staff presents itself to me. Because I just had authority. Because I grasped the power, because I'm no longer wrestling in the basket with the snake. I went through the process. Vision was given. I grasped a hold of it. It was a power. The staff of authority was given to me. And with that staff, which is really my heart, and I'll explain that to you in a minute. I'll say it now. The staff, that lamed, is the center of the language. And anything that is in the center of the language, the center of anything, has to do with your heart. So in grasping a hold of that vision, the power, the authoritative teacher in my life is my heart. And by grasping a hold of that power, I can navigate the waters of chaos.
Whoa.
Because in the waters of chaos, I'm going to find the seed of life. And that seed of life, once I find it, is going to protect me. It's going to surround me. It's going to prop me up and support me.
It's so
And
cool
then,
watching.
Yeah,
that's why I'm doing this. This is why I'm saying
gosh.
this. So in that place where I just got surrounded and protected, propped up and supported, it's meant for me so that I can have the eyes to see. I was once blind, but now I see. Waking me up so I can see what's going on. And then once I see, then I'm given the authority to speak.
Pay.
Because I know what's going on and I can see it.
The maid pay.
But I had to go on a journey and I had to hunt and chase a few things. I had to chase it down. It wasn't given to me. I had to search for it. I had to look for it. I had to hunt. I had to find it. But when I did, through the circle of time, the horizon of the sun began to dawn. That which was once hidden is being revealed to me. So I can find the narrow path between the light and the dark. Some of that isn't on that list, by the way.
Yeah.
To raise me up, to be a leader, to be a first. So that I can have the authority of the fire. I have teeth now. I can bite.
Shin. Jesus.
That is
God.
the quintessence. That is the tetra.
Ye are gods.
Yeah, this is the pentagrammaton. By the time you get here, you are the pentagrammaton. You are Yod He Shin Vav He. And when you get to that place, and you go through all the steps, and you allow that fire to purify yourself and to chew away all the stuff that doesn't matter anymore, you just get marked with the sign of completion. Completed my journey. That is the power of the language. That is the power from the Aleph and Tav. I just told you the entire spiritual journey.
Dude, that was
And that's what
amazing.
Mother teaches.